Welcome back, everyone. Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into, the 2025 Subaru 360. Yes, you heard that right, Subaru has brought back a modern take on the iconic 360, and today, we're going to explore everything from its exterior design, interior features, performance, and, of course, the price. If you're a fan of compact cars with a quirky twist, this is going to be one you won't want to miss. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Subaru 360 stays true to its roots but adds a modern touch. From the front, you can instantly tell it's a Subaru, with the signature hexagonal grille and sleek LED headlights. These headlights are small but give a very futuristic vibe, which really helps in giving this tiny car an edge over others in its class. The body is compact and round, just like the original, but Subaru has given it a bit of a sharper profile, with more aggressive wheel arches and a slightly elongated rear to improve aerodynamics. The car's small size gives it that distinctive look of a K car, but don't let its size fool you, it's packed with a lot more features than you'd expect from a car this size. The 2025 version features a set of 15-inch alloy wheels that complement the overall aesthetic, giving the car a more robust look, but the compact dimensions still keep it looking agile and cute. The design is unmistakably retro but with a sleek, modern twist that makes it appealing to new and old Subaru fans alike. There's also an interesting touch with the paint options. Subaru has gone for bright, bold colors that really make the car stand out, like a retro aqua blue, cherry red, and a new matte gray finish. Now, let's talk about the interior. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a cabin that's surprisingly comfortable for such a small vehicle. The first thing you'll notice is the mix of retro and modern. The dashboard features circular dials, paying homage to the original Subaru 360's design, but there's a digital twist. A 7-inch touchscreen sits right in the middle, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a navigation system. Below that, you'll find a sleek set of controls for climate settings, which are easy to use and intuitive. The seats, despite being compact, are incredibly comfortable for the car's size. The upholstery is high-quality fabric with some premium options like leather if you're willing to pay extra. As for legroom, while the Subaru 360 isn't built for long-haul trips, it's perfectly adequate for short city drives or commutes. The rear seats are best suited for passengers who are on the smaller side, but in a pinch, they can fit an adult for a short ride. The rear hatch offers a decent amount of cargo space for a car of this size, and if you need more, you can always fold down the back seats to open up the area. Performance-wise, the 2025 Subaru 360 is designed to be efficient, practical, and a lot of fun to drive, especially in urban environments. The car is powered by a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder engine that provides just enough power to zip through city streets. It produces about 75 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but keep in mind, this is a very lightweight vehicle, tipping the scales at around 1,500 pounds. This lightness means it's nimble and quick off the line, perfect for weaving through traffic or taking sharp corners in the city. The 5-speed manual transmission is fun for enthusiasts, while there's also a CVT option for those looking for more convenience. Fuel efficiency is where the Subaru 360 really shines. Expect it to return around 40 miles per gallon in the city and 50 on the highway, which is incredible for a car of this size and class. Thanks to its small engine and compact frame, it's the perfect car for someone who needs to keep their fuel costs down or just loves the thrill of a small, efficient car. As far as safety is concerned, the 2025 Subaru 360 comes with all the modern safety tech you'd expect. Subaru has included standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. It's clear that Subaru has thought about both the nostalgia factor and modern-day needs in this car, ensuring it's as safe as it is fun to drive. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Subaru 360 is positioned as an affordable compact car. Starting prices are around $18,000 for the base model, which includes a lot of standard tech and safety features. The higher trims, which add more premium materials and features, push the price up to about $22,000. Given the fun factor and efficiency, it's a pretty good deal compared to other cars in this segment. To sum it up, the 2025 Subaru 360 is a delightful blend of retro charm and modern functionality. Whether you're looking for a car that's easy to park in crowded cities, want to save on fuel, or just love unique, quirky designs, the 2025 Subaru 360 checks a lot of boxes. Its combination of practicality, efficiency, and style makes it a standout in the compact car category. So, would you drive the 2025 Subaru 360? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.